Hello everyone, welcome to the study hacks in of GIS. And this session, I will try to explain important topic, mainly how we can monitor of sea surface temperature, chlorophyll, and turbidity from 5 to 2022 in MODIS imagery and the use of Google Earth Engine. So basically, it's very important for identify, monitor, and recorded the phytoplankton, total suspended matter, and sea surface temperature, and water quality variation overall seasonal or yearly period. So in this session, I will try to explain all of method, how we can the MODIS satellite imagery, and further we can monitor type of parameter such as sea surface temperature, chlorophyll, and turbidity. So here I already create this type of map. So basically in this case I map for year of 2005 to 2020, as well as I also try to make type of time series chart. All of things I will try to the Google Earth engine, as well as also can I create this type of map. So the temperature, surface temperature for different years. So it's for the result for annually, as well as we also create this type of map for chlorophyll for the different time period. So basically in this case we use satellite imaging. Basically the mode is Aqua satellite image L3SMI dataset. Basically the NASA's ocean biology, the suitable choice for mapping the turbidity, temperature, and chlorophyll the ocean. Time I just use data, and further I try to make the analysis. So first of all, chlorophyll concentration. So as well as you also try to check about the what is the trend about the chlorophyll or see some press temperature. Okay. So let's try to explain one by one all of my code. Then I hope we can idea how it works. Let me open code editor. Basically for code editor, I already write the code. So basically it shows their total 2005 to 2020. Okay, so 18 years data for turbidity, surface temperature, all of these things get it from here. So in this time here I use data. So data is the NASA ocean data. I simply copy and then just simply paste here. Now I got all of things about this data. So basically this is the standard map image is Aqua for ocean color and satellite ocean biology data produced or collected under the EIS. Okay. The data set which type of band here. So basically one band is the chlorophyll A, indicating about the A concentration, and the unit is the milligram per meter, as well as also about that normalize the Florence line height, as well as POC, particulate organic carbon on the ocean, as well as we also get this type of reflectance band such as SR 412, that band mainly 412 nanometer, as well as we get another band. So different types of band, as well as we also get the another one that sea surface temperature. Okay. Basically, this is the degree Celsius unit SST band. So basically, this data set I use, and further I try to make the chlorophyll concentration map, as well as also make for surface temperature map, as well as we also make for that turbidity. So let's check. I will try to explain about that how it will work. So first of all, I just simply find my time period. I have to do that. And further, we just simply import our data set. Okay, so in this data set already imported, and then put, and then first of all we create the annual composite. So get the and further we just create this type of annual map. Basically, in this case, it's about the annual map for each year. Suppose 2005, then 2008, 9, 10, 11. So total 18 years map, we can get it from here. As well as we also try to add this type of uh, chart. Chart we can get about the data for different year. Okay? And then further, we also try to add the trend line. So the trend line, from where you can easily what is the scenario of the increasing or decreasing the chlorophyll concentration on the study area, as well as this is another way we can get it the temperature. So average temperature for 5 and 2006. So all of year annual average temperature we can here. And then further we also try to find out the trend line. Same process we also try to apply for that turbidity. We can easily get the turbidity. Here you can see. So basically it is start from the 2005 and up to 2020. All of annual map we can try to add in here. So I just simplify then here. And we also get the other map also size in here. All of map is available in here. You can see. So further we can easily get it all of map, different annual map. It will be 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 19, and then we also get about the 20, 20. All of annual map we can visualize from. Basically, try to add the map window for different 18 years for annual map of turbidity. Get this type of result. And it also for the different time period annual, that from 5 to 2020, as well as you can see about that another time series chart for 5 to 2 for turbidity, type of turbidity time series chart 520 for annual turbidity time series. Basically in this case we are applying this method. Basically we are just the same algorithm for this study area for calculating turbidity. Is where you set this band RS 107 band for aqua satellite image it, and further we try to calculate data, collect some data, and further we try to find out this type of get this type of calibrated equation can create it. And this equation we are just simply for port. Here you can see same procedure try to apply in here. Follow our data, then further we simply calculate it. Calculate it in here. In this time is RRS, the band about that RRS 107. Okay, we are just apply this formula, and then we calculated the what is the scenario, the turbidity, the different here we can calculate, as well as we also create this type of time series chart. So basically, the process monitor sea surface temperature, chlorophyll, and turbidity for this time period. And this dataset mainly available from okay, dataset is available. The dataset availability dataset is available in 2020. But if you want to work for that update dataset, then you have to use the other platform. Search engine data catalog is available from Europe to this time to collection. So if you have any question or if you are interested to more details to learn about topics, and further you can easily join my online program and learn a lot of things. Okay, so today is no more. Thank you for watching that.